أحد
ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
صدق الله العظيم.
صدق الله العظيم.
You seem much worried and disturbed. Why are you not reading carefully? What matter with you?
Actually, Hafiji, a question raised in my class during the period of moral education by the teacher, continuously nagging me too much. And he's of the view that to be a good person is sufficient, no extra religious teaching is needed. That's why I'm worried. However, I taught since my childhood that to be a Muslim is the first and foremost requirement. So please explain it to me.
Contrary, inshallah I will explain. In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful, this question is frequently asked in a secular world. Can we be ethical without religion? So, survey tells us that the answer to this question depends on who is being asked. For the majority of humankind who are both poor and religious, the answer is overwhelmingly no. For the rich minority or those brainwashed by aggressive secular regimes, the answer is usually yes. The answer is usually
Yes.
Yes. My dear students, and it is also should be noted that the people's ethical styles also vary. The people's ethical styles also vary because therefore the prophetic declaration that he had been sent to only perfect and noble test of character confirm our empirical experience that although the ethical impulse for what is good in human nature. In human nature, we need revelation to guide and perfect it because the people's ethical styles vary. Disagreement and confusion about the goal and nature of good character rampant, and misguided ethical beliefs have inspired the most of horrific events in human history. Secular modernity, which claims to provide this without heavenly guidance, has tried to small in religious values, but has failed in providing meaning of individual against exploitation. I can say without divine law, there is no line of demarcation between good and evil.
Thank you, Hafiji. Hafiji, you have cleared my doubt. Jazakallahu khair.
Yes, look here.
Hafiji, I have a question.
Yes, ask.
I am a student of PCB.
Yes.
There are girls also in my class.
Yes.
People don't mind to shake hands with them. Sometimes girls come forward to shake hands with them. If we don't shake hands, they mind. So what is the solution for it? Is shaking hands with girls permissible in Islam?
Yes, mashallah, your question is very wonderful, but I have explained already. Is it?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Who will explain? Who will explain? Yes, inshallah, your brother Mudassir will explain, inshallah. Yes, Mudassir, start.
My brother, for a man to shake hands with non-mahram is haram. It is not permitted at all. To support this statement, there is the hadith of Ma'aqil ibn Asar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who said that if one of you were to be struck in the head with an iron needle, it would be better for him. If he were to touch a woman, he is not allowed to. There is no doubt that for a man to shake hand as a non-mahram woman is only the causes of fitna, provocation of desire, and committing haram deeds. No one should claim that their intention is sound, their heart is pure, because on who was the purest of heart, most chaste of all, and the servant of Allah, most exalted, never ever touched a non-mahram woman, even when accepting bay'ah. The Muslim feels too embarrassed to refuse when a woman offers her hand for shaking, in addition to mixing with women. Some of them claim that they are forced to shake hands with fellow students and teachers in school and universities. It's a lame excuse. The Muslim should overcome his own feelings and prompting of shaitan and be strong in his faith, because Allah is not ashamed of the truth. The Muslim can apologize politely and explain why he is reluctant to shake hands. Thank you.
MashaAllah, very nice, very good. MashaAllah, you have explained as I had explained few days ago. MashaAllah, this is good for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nafidi,
Yes, Abdullah.
I also have a question.
Yes, ask.
Why should the people of the world follow and consider Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as an ideal prophet? It is just that I may be able to tell people why they should follow Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam exclusively.
Yes, MashaAllah, your question is very wonderful. This is my burning desire. I to share all people why the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the ideal prophet. My dear students, as you know, a man needs the right past experience to brighten his present and future. All the different phases of humanity which have done something to make this world a better place to live in deserve our gratitude. Thus, the most deserving of our regard are those whom we call the prophets of Allah. Whom we call the prophets of Allah. Obviously, they were ideal in their era. In short, in every situation of life marked by vicissitude of our earthly existence, we need an exemplar, the right path. Yes, we require practical examples of those who have successfully met all the human situations and circumstances and hit upon, rather than those who have to offer except followers. It is neither to be quite so fancy nor flowery speech, but it is the indisputable fact of history that the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life is a practical one. Essential characteristics of an ideal life and historicity and comprehensiveness, perfection and practically are necessary for any character to be followed by others. That I don't mean to say that the other prophets lack these qualities, but I assert that their doing preserved by the followers. It is only Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was sent by God for all the nation as a shining example to be followed by entire humanity until the day of judgment. Allah said in the Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين. And said in other place, قل يا أيها الناس إني رسول الله إليكم جميعا. And said in other place, لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة.
Jazakallah khair, I will remember it and inshallah I will tell people all these things. Jazakallah, thank
So
you.
that you all listening or I present to you. No problem, the time is about. I am getting that. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.